Minimalism.
What Timmix? From making it podcast? Minimalism.
You run from there and you say, is that Timmix?
He just messaged this morning, see you at Gokulnath 10:30 and that's it. Getting kidnapped by Timmix.
So we missed the train. Actually, we missed the train because we didn't know which platform to take, and that's...
Yeah, quand on a pas la tête, on a les jambes.
First place where we went was restaurant because we are hungry. So we finished our lunch and right now we're going to explore the town.
Timmix is kidnapping me to go and visit the Vangogh village. This place is one of the ancient one. When I say the village is beautiful, this is exactly what I'm talking about.
Gokul is trying to take a drone shot here and the shot is coming out amazing. I just took a glimpse at it, but what I want to say is that one small 5-6 second video B-roll that you see on a vlog actually takes so much effort.
Just this alleyway, it's just so beautiful. So far, it's been a nice kidnap from Timmix.
So far.
But this place is still
cool. What happens next?
The idea is Van Gogh painted this particular paint by watching this fields.
Hey! So I hijacked his camera.
Tim has an amazing video on his YouTube channel explaining the full details of this particular day trip. I highly recommend it to go and check this out. Link in the description.
While he was alive, his work was never recognized. It was after he died that he became more popular. His paintings came out more and people started to realize that this guy was a genius guy.
That's the end of the day.
Tim
kind
was
of
kidnapped for a good reason. Did you like it? No?
Actually, to be honest, the fields and the way exploration was really nice. I think we should have just planned much more on the food situation because we were just thirsty for some drinks or some ice cream. That's it.
But honestly, it's a very small place.
Yeah.
There's nothing much to see here, and I think 3 to 4 hours is maximum. Like, you can cover the whole place in I think 3 hours because we had cameras and stuff. We were taking videos. It took more time, but otherwise I think you can finish off the whole place in 3 to 4 hours. But I really enjoyed it. It's a very beautiful small village.
Yeah, it's really nice.
Houses,
it's so calm.
Yeah, the architecture, the houses, they were very pretty. The gardens are very nice. And of course that farm, the wheat field was quite beautiful as well. We took a lot of pictures there.
Yeah, and some cool dronies.
Yeah, cool drone shots. So yeah, I'm really happy that you enjoyed it and I'm glad you could join for this
Thanks
trip.
man. Next time kidnap me really much more.
Sure thing.
Sure, and that I think, yeah, that's the end of the vlog. I mean, technically vlog. Yeah. See you soon.